Hello everyone, if I send you a book of 300 pages and ask you some questions from the book, will you able to answer? No, right? First you have to read the book and then you can answer. You might answer. I'm giving you another example. If you have a book of 500 pages and you have read the book, but right now you want to create some questions or you want to get some information from the book, but you don't know where the information is presented right now. You do not have enough time to read the book and find the answer. What do you do? There are many solutions. But today I am going to reveal a great feature of Tech Freedom, which is Document AI. This is a new feature of Tech Freedom 4.0 version, with the help of which you can easily find any information from any type of document like PDF, Word, TXT, EPUB, anything. Today I'll show you how you can use this wonderful feature. I'll try to find the answers and informations from a book which contains almost 300 pages. So it sounds great, right? So hit the like button and watch this video till the end to learn more. To download the Tech Freedom, you can visit our official WhatsApp channel or you can find the same on Google Play Store. If you don't know what is Tech Freedom and what is the new layout of the Tech Freedom, you can check out our previous video from the I button or from our channel. Okay, so now open your Tech Freedom. I have already opened. Now let me swipe from left to right.
App Backup button, Enlist, Window Tech Freedom.
First feature is App Backup,
Assistant button,
then Assistant,
Cache Reader button,
then Cache Reader,
Document Converter button,
Document Converter,
Document Creator button,
Document Creator,
Document Reader button,
and then Document Reader. So first you have to open this feature.
Document Reader.
Now the feature is opened. Here you need to open your document or pick your document.
Document Read, Import Document button,
Click on Import Document.
Send.
Now choose the file from your directory.
Clear. The Miracle Morning for Entrepreneurs. Elevate yourself to elevate your business. Hal Elrod, Cameron.epub, 305 KB, 9:02 PM, column 1.
So this is the book which I want to open. Let me click on it.
Document Reader. The document is successfully loaded.
Okay, so now the document is successfully loaded. Here you will get two new features. I'm swiping from left to right.
Document Reader.
Document Reader,
Document AI button.
Document AI, which we will explore today. Before that there is
Reader View button.
Reader View. Now what is the use of this Reader View? Before that I want to just read the document. To read the document I am just swiping from left to right.
More options button.
Leave it.
Page 1 of 314.
Page
Heading.
1 of 314. So you understood.
Endorsements. Enlist.
Endorsements.
I had been a night owl almost all of my life, until I finally discovered the Miracle Morning, and soon realized the power of starting my day with purpose. As an entrepreneur, it's been incredibly helpful as it has massively increased my productivity, creativity, and focus. If you're not reading this book, you're not ever going to be as successful as you can. Jump
Okay.
to
So there are pages and so on things available which you can explore on your own. I'm just showing you.
previous page. I had been a night. Entrepreneurs are the create. Jump to
See.
page. Previous page.
Previous
button.
page.
Jump to page.
Jump
button.
to page. You can directly jump to any number of pages like page 14, page 43, whatever.
Next page. Button.
Next page you can just go to next page, next page, next page.
OCR this page. Button.
OCR this
Disabled.
page, if you do OCR this page or
Play. Button.
Play.
OCR entire file. Button. Disabled.
OCR enter file disabled. So why this is not the OCR case? This is the book. Just click on play button and this book will be converted into audio file and it will be start playing. Okay, so you can explore on your own because today we are going to discuss the AI related feature. Okay, now what is this reader view? If you turn on this reader view, all this button will be erased, all this button will be disappeared. Okay, and then only you can able to read the complete document just a single swipe. There is no next page, no previous page. Okay, you can read all the documents at a time. If you want, if a document is below like 5 pages, 10 pages above like it is not a big document, so it is okay. But if it is a big document, then it is quite impossible. So for that, you need to turn on the reader view.
Page 1 of 314. Heading. Successfully.
Let me turn it
More
on.
options. But reader view.
Now see, all options gone, and if I swipe from left to right,
More options. Endorsements. I had
see,
more endorsements. I had been a night owl almost all of my life until I finally discovered the miracle.
okay, all the books content is showing here. Let us check what are the options under the more options.
More option. Add bookmark. 1
Add
of 7.
bookmark, you
Enlist.
can
7 items.
add the bookmark.
View bookmarks. 2 of
View
7.
bookmarks.
Copy. 3 of 7.
Copy, you can copy the complete book
Save
text.
to notepad. 4 of
You
7.
can save the document to a notepad.
Export. 5 of 7.
You can export it to any another files.
Translate. 6 of 7.
You can translate it.
Share. 7 of
You
7.
can share this also.
Stop recording. Image. Share.
So you can explore on your own. After this reader view, now let's discuss about the document AI. Now document AI is a feature where you just need to ask the AI whatever questions you can ask, and the AI tool will find the answer from the document and give it to you. Let us see how it works.
Close reader view. Button.
If you want, you can close reader view. I am not doing.
Document AI. Button.
Just click on document AI.
Document AI.
Now see here, a chat box is
Showing
open.
English. India.
Your keyboard is
QWERTY.
open
Keyboard.
and the chat box is open. Here you will get this
Send. Button.
send
Disabled.
button also.
Editing. Message. Edit box.
Here you can ask the questions and AI will find the answers from document. Not only this, you can do any task to the AI related to this document and it will do. So we will ask 3-4 questions and we will see how it works. Okay, let's suppose I don't have time to read this document. So I want to summarize. I want a summary. So what I can ask?
Editing.
See.
Summarize the book as an article. Edit box.
Okay.
Message. Send. Button.
So I'm just sending it.
Document AI reply. Assistant. Title. Transform your.
Okay, now we got the reply. See, this is the reply.
Assistant. Title. Transform your life before breakfast. A deep dive into the miracle morning for entrepreneurs. For many entrepreneurs, the quest for success is an endless cycle of hard work, sleepless nights, and fighting against time to accomplish more. However, the Miracle Morning for Entrepreneurs, co-authored by Hal Elrod and Cameron Herold, offers a revolutionary approach, showing that the key to achieving and surpassing your business goals starts with how you spend the first hour of your day. The book is founded on the premise that personal development is the cornerstone of entrepreneurial success.
Now you understood that the complete summary as an article format you are getting. So you can easily use this for your study purpose, right? Even you can also create the document and save it in as a PDF format, as a summary format. Okay. Now we will ask few more questions and let's see whether AI will help us or not. So moving to next question. Okay, our next question is, give me 6 morning habits from this book. See.
Editing. Give me 6 morning habits from this book. Edit box. Send. Button.
So I'm just sending.
Document AI is writing.
Let
Keyboard
us
hidden.
wait.
Document AI replied.
Okay, document AI replied. So let us see.
Assistant. The 6 morning habits from the book are referred to as the Life SAVERS, which stands for 1. 2 asterisk silence 2 asterisk. Spend a moment in peaceful, purposeful silence to clear your mind and get centered for the day. This can include meditation, prayer, reflection, deep breathing, or expressing gratitude. 2 asterisk affirmations 2 asterisk. Engage in positive affirmations to reinforce your mindset and prepare for.
Okay, now if you want to write this like a Facebook post, article, whatever, you can convert it easily using the same assistant, same app, same tool, same window. Okay, so we are moving to the next question. Now let's say we are conducting a quiz and we want some questions from this book with 3 options. We ask this AI to do this. See.
Editing. Create top 5 questions from this book with 3 options.
Top 5 questions. Okay, let me send it.
Send. Document AI is writing. Keyboard hidden. Document AI replied.
Okay, so now AI replied. Let us see.
Assistant. Here are the top 5 questions created from the book, along with 3 answer options for each. 1. What does the acronym SAVERS in the Miracle Morning stand for? A. Silence, affirmation, vision, exercise, reading, scribing. B. Success, awareness, victory, endurance, respect, strength. C. Strategy, action, visualization, energy, regeneration, success. 2. What is the key message of the miracle morning when discussing the importance of how you start your day? A. Night owls are more creative and successful. B. The first hour of your day is crucial for setting the tone for the rest of the day. C. Skipping breakfast is beneficial for time management. 3. Who is the co-author of the Miracle Morning for Entrepreneurs with Hal Elrod? A.
So you understood that there are top 5 questions with 3 options. We can easily use this for our quizzes if required, right? So you know how AI can help you to work with any documents, especially creating quizzes, questions, some points, creating some articles, and so things, and it's completely free. And to use this feature, you just need to download the TF, which means Tech Freedom application, and sign in using your email ID, phone number, and you need to verify with your disability certificate and UDID card. So I hope this feature helps you a lot for your studies, for your research purpose. Please let me know in the comment section how much this feature could help you in your professional and personal life. If you want to enhance your tech skills online, join V.I Tech Academy's exclusive online courses and earn certificate also. We are having basic to advanced computer course, full stack web development course, WordPress course, Python course, and so on. To check all of the courses available, please visit our official website, which can be found on our channel about page and the video description below. That's it guys for the day. I hope you really liked the video. If you find this content useful, do like the video and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get latest videos for free. Thank you for watching this video till the end. See you soon with the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.